Hi everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to use Python as a scientific calculator. Let's try to calculate the trigonometric values of functions. Let's say I want to calculate sine 0. Just run this, it will give me the name sine is not defined. What does this mean is that the sine function is not available in the current session, and to make that available I need to import the math module, right? So a module is basically just a group of functions which have been given a particular name. So we import a module by import keyword import math, right? Okay, let's now run sine 0. Alright, so again it gives me the same error. So this is because though I have imported the math module, I'm not telling Python that use the sine function from math, right? Or that is still not accessible in the session because I'm not telling it specifically you use the sine function from the math module, right? So we do it by typing math dot sine 0, right? So now this will calculate and give you sine 0 as 0. Let's see, now again calculate math dot cos 0. This will give you 1, right? So this is the way we can calculate these functions. Now one more important thing is finding out how many functions are there in this particular module. So we use the function dir and type dir math. Right. So this will give me the list of all functions that are available in this math module. So you can see here a lot of functions, right? Exponential, factorial, floor, gamma, GCD, hypotenuse, all those things, right? So now how to use this function, I need to know some information about them, right? And to get help about some function, we just type that particular function math dot, let us say I'm typing factorial, right? And you use shift tab, right? Shift and tab, you press shift tab simultaneously. So this will give me a docstring, that is the information about that particular function. So what this does is finds x factorial, right? So let's now use it. 3 factorial will give me 6, or math dot factorial 5 give me 120, right? So let's now just explore some other functions. Let's say I want to use this GCD function. Let me get the help of it, or math dot GCD shift tab, right? So format of this is that I have to enter two numbers x and y, and this will give me greatest common divisor of x and y, right? So let's say I want to find GCD of 2 and 3. The answer is 1, or math dot GCD of let's say 6 and 9. The answer is 3, right? So you can explore a lot of other functions. We'll use now, let's say pi, it will give me the value of pi. So just math dot pi, so it's 3.14, Alright, so we use this now power function. Let's get its help first. So that is math.pow. You click shift.power. So it will give me two numbers, x and y. So it will return me x to the power of y, right? Okay, so I want 2 to the power of 4, 16, or math dot power 3 to the power 3 gives me 27. All right, so you can now explore all these functions by yourself. You have basically now learned how to do simple scientific calculations using Python just from this built-in math module. Thank you very much.